topics. Today's topic is best parts for ultimate gaming PC and price. 2019. Before we enter into the video, I want to tell to the viewers I am not that rich to buy these products, so that I show the pictures and products specifications with the price. The price of the products are always changing in the Amazon websites, so you can't expect the same price what I going to show on this video. First one is CPU. It's Intel Core trademark i9 9900K processor. It was 9th Gen Intel Core i9-9900K desktop processor, with Intel Turbo Boost technology version 2.0. It offers powerful performance for gaming, creating and productivity. Its specifications are: it only compatible with Intel 300 series motherboard. Unlocked processor, Intel UHD graphics 630, DDR4 support, Intel Optane memory and SSD supported. Cooling device not included, processor only, max turbo frequency 5.0 GHz. 8 core, 16 thread. Processor base frequency, 3.60 GHz. Max turbo frequency, 5.00 GHz. Bus speed, 8 GT/SDMI3. Cache, 16 MB smart cache. The price of the Intel Core i9 in Amazon.in is 63,437.29 rupees. The price of the Intel Core i9 in Amazon.com is $529.99. Number 2. Motherboard. Asus ROG Maximus 11 Hero, Wi-Fi. It was designed for 9th and 8th generation Intel Core processors to maximize connectivity and speed with dual M.2, USB 3.1 Gen 2, onboard 800, and 2.11 AC Wi-Fi. And Asus OptiM EM2 for better DRAM overclocking. Stability revamped 5-way optimization overclocks intelligently based on smart prediction and thermal telemetry. While Fan Expert 4 delivers dynamic system cooling. Why we should buy this? ROG Maximus 11 Hero is the perfect introduction to the Republic of Gamers. It's a Z390 gaming motherboard that packs substantial power, smart cooling, and faster memory support under a stealthy skin. Loaded with renowned ROG features, from one-click overclocking and cooling to attention-grabbing Aura Sync illumination, Maximus 11 Hero is ready to perform and crafted for customization. In my opinion, it was a damn good motherboard for gaming PC. Okay, let's see the price. The price of the Asus ROG Maximus 11 Hero, Wi-Fi, on Amazon.in is 32,850 rupees, and in Amazon.com is $279.99. Number 3. Graphics card Gigabyte GeForce RTX 2080. It powered by GeForce RTX trademark 2080. Integrated with 8GB GDDR6 256-bit memory interface. WindForce 3X cooling system with alternate spinning fans. RGB Fusion 2.0, synchronize with other Aorus devices and metal backplate. WindForce 3X cooling system. It features 3x 80mm unique blade fans, alternate spinning fan, 6 composite copper heat pipes, heat pipe direct touch and 3D active fan functionality, together delivering an effective heat dissipation capacity for higher performance at lower temperatures. It's having a cool feature. Aorus engine. The cutting-edge intuitive interface allows you to adjust the clock speed, voltage, fan performance, and power target in real time according to your game's requirements. Let's see the price. The price of the graphics card Gigabyte GeForce RTX 2080 on Amazon.in is 80,900 rupees. On Amazon.com is $749.99. Number 4. Memory. G-Skill Trident ZRGB Series 32GB, 4x8GB. The ultimate DDR4 just got better, featuring a completely exposed light bar with vibrant RGB LEDs, merged with the award-winning Trident Z heat spreader designed and constructed with the highest quality components. The Trident Z RGB DDR4 memory kit combines the most vivid RGB lighting with uncompromised performance. Let's see the specifications. Its RAM size, 32 GB. 4 matched 8 GB modules, rated to run at speeds up to 3200 MHz, PC4-25600, specifically engineered for the Intel Z270 Kaby Lake platform, 288 pins, and timings of CL16, 16-18-1838, at 1.35B. The best thing about this card is its reveal your inner colors. Create a one-of-a-kind PC with the Trident Z RGB memory kit. The best thing about having RGB capabilities is the ability to choose the colors you want. Whether it's white on one day or green on the next, you can be sure these modules will look current and modern in any build. The price of the memory in Amazon.in is 30,185 rupees. The price of the memory in Amazon.com is $326. Number 5. Primary storage. Samsung 970 Pro Series 1TB PCIe NVMe. Experience the best. For intensive workloads on PCs and workstations, the 970 Pro delivers ultimate performance powered by Samsung's NVMe SSD leadership. The latest VNAND technology and new Phoenix controller in a compact M.2, 2280, form factor meets the needs of the most demanding tech enthusiasts and professionals. Its capacity is 1 TB, 3,500 megabytes per second read, 2,700 megabytes per second write. 5-year limited warranty with exceptional endurance up to 1,200 TBW. Samsung's dynamic thermal guard reduces risk of overheating and minimizes performance drops. The price of this primary storage in Amazon.in is 54,162 rupees. And in Amazon.com is $348. Number 6. Mass storage. Samsung SSD 860 EVO 2.5 SATA 34 TB. This was the world's best-selling SATA SSD series. The Samsung 860 EVO is specially designed to enhance performance of mainstream PCs and laptops. With the latest VNAND technology, this fast and reliable SSD comes in a wide range of compatible form factors and capacities. Its capacity is 4 TB, 550 megabytes per second to read, 520 megabytes per second to write. 5-year limited warranty. 1.5 million hours reliability power consumption. Up to 8x higher terabytes written than the 850 EVO. The price of this in Amazon.in is 92,732 rupees. And in Amazon.com is $698. Number 7. Power supply. Corsair AX1500i. The best enthusiast PC power supply you can own. AX1500i defines the state-of-the-art for enthusiast-grade PC power supplies. It provides 1,500 watts of continuous, digitally controlled power on 15A circuits of 115B and higher, and 80+ titanium certification with an incredible 94% efficiency rating. Its specifications are 80+ titanium specification for ultra-high efficiency, 0 RPM fan mode for silent operation at low and medium loads, Corsair ICUE desktop monitoring and control, fully modular, low-profile cables. The price of this power supply in Amazon.in is 43,500 rupees, and in Amazon.com is $350. Number 8. Case. Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 900. Be Quiet. Dark Base Pro 900 Orange Rev 2 is the perfect case for all who expect the highest standards when it comes to modularity, compatibility and design. Its specifications are: smart input and output port and convenient charger, relocatable motherboard tray, silent wings 3, impeccable cooling and silence, full circuit airflow system, tempered glass and LEDs, a perfect view inside your PC. The price of the case in Amazon.in is 53,873 rupees. And in Amazon.com is $360. Number 9. CPU cooling. NZXT Kraken X62. The all-new Kraken series features the most advanced controls ever to be included in an all-in-one liquid cooler. Through CAM software interface, users can fine-tune settings to ensure an optimal performance, even in the most intense gaming sessions. Everything, including the pump, radiator, and the fans, have been redesigned to bring you the greatest experience in liquid cooling, all backed by an industry-leading 6-year warranty. Its specifications are: number of fans is 2. Fan speed, 500 into 1800 plus/300 RPM. Fan noise level 2138 dBA. Pump speed 1600 into 2800 plus/300 RPM. The price of the CPU cooling system in Amazon.in is 17,000 rupees. And in Amazon.com is $155. By combining these components in the computer case, we can build the system unit. Okay. Let's see other parts like monitor, keyboard, and so on. Number 10. Monitor. BenQ EX3501R. EX3501R Video Enjoyment Curved Monitor with iCare technology. BenQ Panoramic Entertainment in 35 screen and 3440x1440 resolution with 1800R curvature. HDR for video performance. USB-C trademark 1 cable connectivity. Screen size, 35 inch. Specifications are: monumental screen size with awe-inspiring curvature. Brightness Intelligence Plus technology. 100 Hz high refresh rate. 3000:1 ultra high native contrast for depth and definition. Hyper-realistic video quality with HDR. Cinematic 21:9 aspect ratio with ultra high resolution. Caring for your eyes. The price of the monitor in Amazon.in is 123,138 rupees. And in Amazon.com is $739. Number 11. Mouse. Logitech G903. G903 is our most advanced and fully featured gaming mouse. Featuring 1 millisecond light speed wireless, G903 delivers competition-grade performance, responsiveness, and accuracy. Combined with Power Play, G903 operates wirelessly with infinite power, never needing a charging cable. Its specifications are: 1 millisecond light speed wireless, 110 gram lightweight, super strong, ambidextrous up to 11 buttons. Power Play, the world's first wireless gaming mouse charging system, to keep G903 charged even while you play. Never plug in your mouse again or worry about whether your mouse is charged. Play Unlimited. Play Advanced. It having a power-efficient technology. So you can play for a continuous 32 hours on a single charge. The price of this mouse in Amazon.in is 15,000 rupees. And in Amazon.com is $107. Number 12. Keyboard. HyperX Alloy Elite. The HyperX Alloy Elite mechanical gaming keyboard is the perfect keyboard for the gamer who wants to equip their battle station with a durable, full-featured keyboard that's dripping with style. Its specifications are: Unique light bar and dynamic lighting effects. It's have a solid steel frame. Quick access buttons for brightness, lighting effects, and game mode. Conveniently connect devices via USB 2.0 pass-through. HyperX Ingenuity software enables advanced customization. But this keyboard have only red LED, so you can able to enables this customization. It's only available on Alloy Elite RGB. The price of the keyboard in Amazon.in is 10,400 rupees. And in Amazon.com is $134. Number 13. Headset. SteelSeries ArcDis Pro Plus. High fidelity audio comes to gaming for the first time. Each component of the ArcDis Pro and Game DAC high-res gaming audio system is meticulously engineered to maintain pristine, powerful audio, from the digital output of the PS4 or PC all the way to your ears. Its specifications are: Game DAC, high-fidelity digital to analog converter. Audiophile grade sound with superb detail. Premium high-res speakers. Luxurious polished steel and aluminum alloy construction. Hear everything with high-resolution speaker drivers. Clearcast bidirectional microphone. And it was the best high-end gaming headset. The price of the headset in Amazon.in is 23,588 rupees. And in Amazon.com is $220. Number 14. Controller. Razer Wolverine Ultimate. Play anywhere with the Razer Wolverine Ultimate, the most customizable controller for competitive play both on Xbox One and PC. From interchangeable thumbsticks and D-pad to a total of 6 remappable multifunction buttons, the Razer Wolverine Ultimate can be adapted to suit your individual needs. Its specifications are: experience deeper immersion with integrated games and watch the lighting effects react to your gameplay. Extra buttons for expert control. It have interchangeable thumbsticks and 2 interchangeable D-pads. The price of the controller in Amazon.in is 22,500 rupees. And in Amazon.com is $150. Overall price of the gaming PC parts in rupees is 6,57,765. And in dollar is 5,148. These products buying links are in video description. Hope you like this video. If you like it, give a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.